So back with another watch here at Swiss Watch Expo, but this is what you really would call a timepiece. This is our Patek Philippe 5204G-001. Now, if you know your watches at all, you know that this is a very special reference. And to be quite honest, no one has this watch. And if they have it, the price is astronomical compared to here at Swiss Watch Expo. We're always very competitive. But besides that, you will not find this watch as fully set as this. I mean, take a look at the booklet here. It's a grand complications. And then you'll also have, of course, the caseback in 18 karat white gold. It also has the display sapphire crystal on the back, pusher. Absolutely beautiful package here. So let's get right into this watch. Now, this is the first time that you will have seen a watch by Patek Philippe that has the split seconds chronograph combined with a perpetual calendar, completely made in-house. So a phenomenal feat, an ode to an original watch from many years ago. Now, this color, of course, is that gorgeous green with the green strap. The watch is done in 18 karat white gold, 40 millimeter case, so a very comfortable size. And then, of course, it is a grand complications, so you'll have everything indicated here on the dial. So, of course, you'll have your day, your month. You'll have a small seconds indicator here at the 9 o'clock position, 30-minute indicator here at the 3 o'clock position, moon phase at the bottom, date at the bottom. Also, of course, you'll have the leap year indicator here off to the side, and then your day-night indicator here on the side as well. So full grand complications watch, very special creation from Patek Philippe. Not only that, you'll have what's called the split second chronograph function. So essentially, you'll notice you'll have 3 separate pushers, one at the top to deploy, one inside of the crown, and then one at the bottom. So this allows you to time 2 things consecutively without losing the original time that the race or whatever it is you're looking for has started. So I'll give you a quick example here. So to deploy the split seconds chronograph, you'll just hit the top pusher here and you'll see it start to sweep. Now we are watching whatever race it is or anything like that, and you want to see how long it took for this first lap. You'll just deploy the pusher right there inside of the crown, and you'll see that first lap stop. But you notice the sweep is still continuing on the second small seconds hand, right? So now we've timed that first lap. We're ready to get back into it. We'll just go ahead and push that again. And you'll see that it almost does like a rattrapante jump fly back kind of feature so that everything is running together. And then, of course, to reset, you'll hit the top pusher again, and then you'll reset it there at the bottom. So absolutely gorgeous timepiece. I mean, if you can get your hands on this, let's go ahead and get it added to your collection. You won't see this often. A very recently released reference from Patek Philippe, and just a special piece. Of course, you'll have the Calatrava cross on the clasp there, and it is a manual wind movement. So inside you'll have a 55 to maybe 60-hour power reserve on it, but we always recommend deploying or winding your watch every morning around the same time, so that way you know that everything is running properly and consecutively. So great reference from Patek Philippe here at Swiss Watch Expo. Of course, we have the most exclusive watches all of the time. And I mean, just look at this package. This is part of the fun as well. You'll have the full instruction manual on how to deploy and set all of your complications. And of course, a certificate there in the back that you'll get to see just as soon as you get it added to your collection. This is Angel here at Swiss Watch Expo. Let us know what you think about this beautiful timepiece down in the comments. Give us a call here in the showroom if you'd like to take a closer look and get it added to your collection. And we'll see you in the next video.